There was one that I read about a couple days ago, and some of these things, they just seem so outlandishly cruel. They're like, how is this real? Like, for instance, when Trump signed the executive order saying that his administration would only recognize someone's biological sex at birth, male or female, that has a lot of implications that we don't even know about yet. And one of them was when that order went into effect, it changed a provision called the 2003 Prison Rape Elimination Act, or PREA. And that was passed under the administration to combat like the rampant sexual assault that happened in the US prison system. It was applied by Biden and Obama to protect trans inmates because they're already at like a really high risk of assault. So under this new executive order, those protections are gone. And what is the point in that? Unless it's just to make people suffer.
Yeah.
I mean, things like those are the things that we're dealing with now.
Yeah. And I guess there's an element of thinking like, I don't know. It's like, how can you know all that is happening and still do it? Like, you know what I mean? Like, again, I could understand being short-sighted, not understanding the full implications of something, but I think you have to know at some point, and especially when you're like the president or something, like you have people around you who, it's like, if you yourself don't know, somebody else is pointing that shit out to you.
It's not a byproduct of his executive order, I think. And I think that's something that a lot of people are still struggling to kind of wrap their heads around. This is the point, is to, eradicate these marginalized groups. And I think once we start to understand that more as a community, I think we might be able to organize a little bit better, because I'm hoping that we'll get more people interested in wanting to protest this.